Hi everybody! Today's top tip video is how to make natural plant feed fertilizer by upcycling. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. I really appreciate that. So get yourself a plastic bottle, cut the top off and pierce holes in the lid at the bottom. Fill it with weeds and grass cuttings if you have any, and then fill it with water. This will then make a plant feed fertilizer liquid that will slowly drip out of the bottom of the bottle. Okay, so you can leave it in a position if you want where it keeps filling up with rain, or fill it up with water as needed. As you will see, I have pots at the bottom of my garden, pots and tubs, collecting rainwater, which I'm going to use to fill my bottle. Okay, so if you give this a go, let me know, and thank you so much, Blue Bowser, for this really great tip. Bye.